How to fix Messenger notification sound not working on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can fix your notification sound not working in your Android device. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Messenger app and get logged into your Messenger account. Now, in order to fix your notification sound, tap on three bar icon on your top left, then tap on settings icon. Here under preferences, tap on notifications and sound. Make sure that you have toggled on this. Now let's go ahead and open up our settings app. At this page, scroll below to apps and search for Messenger. Now at this page, scroll below and tap on notification. As you do so, make sure that is on allow sound and vibration. Tap open notification categories and toggle on allow notifications. As you do so, this shall fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.